Hello everyone, I'm just checking the sound settings and the resolution. That's nice. Twitch gave us to 720 pixels to 160 pixels, so you can view which pixels you want in the stream. Okay, let me check the other settings as well, easily. Okay, everything seems great right now. My sound is and the music is not too much, I think. Let me check the resolution again. Okay, everything seems right so far. Okay, sound is great. Everything seems. Streamlabs OBS does not show any error so far. 60 frames per second and 3K bitrate, and between 15 and 20% CPU usage. That seems nice. Okay, welcome all. Let's start a private clash then, shortest and fastest mode. Oops, I'm giving 1 minute break, guys, by the way. Sorry about that. Okay. I am getting fastest shorters and reverse mode, all language. And let's start. I just copied the link and pasted to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. Pins, Tia, Holly, CSGO, welcome. Okay, in the first question we have 4 people. Liasa has already joined. Jean Adlin, welcome. You need to check if string is input is palindrom. Turn yes or no. All non-alphanumeric characters have to be ignored. Check is non-case. Something else, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. That's nice. I can submit my question, my solution. Okay, that's an easy question, I think, to start the stream at least. I mean, most of us know what is palindrome means. Palindrome means that when you reverse all the characters from end to start, and palindrome means that it is equal to the reverse of that string as well.
also short method.
Okay, Holly has already solved with 80%, but what? You probably only replace the white space, but since the question says you have to only count for alphanumeric characters, so you have to only should take letters and digits. So all the other characters can be ignored in that case. I think that's why you get the 80%. For some of the cases, maybe include some conjunction characters as well. Difficulty, I think that was easy. For you can solve most of the languages easily. Statements are clear and test case relevancy is clear, so I can submit it. Teach me code, please. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oops, I can fix this layout. Well, you are definitely in the right place in here. Hamza, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yam Johan, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Can I see Pin's code in Python 3? Sure. Let me open his code. Let me make it bigger. So he will replace all the white space with empty character and make it two over since it is case insensitive, and it only takes. But since it takes lower here, I think you will not this one, since you only have only the lower letters here. I think you don't need this one, but it's okay. I think it only takes alphanumeric characters, and which is Python's beauty. It's always easy to reverse this kind of things. So if it is equal to reverse of it, it prints yes. If it's not, it prints no. Teach me coding, please. Yeah, yeah, it's easily understandable on the based on your username. Sure, you are definitely right place here. The only thing I see, I mean, it's not a big deal, but this bigger A to bigger C might not be needed, since convert all the characters as a lower ones, but it still works completely. Okay, CSGO and the Yasuo is also 88%. I think you probably didn't care, maybe didn't take the last only alphanumeric characters. Yuan, hello, welcome. What game are you making? This is called Clash of Code. It's a part of a question styling in CodinGame. We create here a private clash. Clash means something that we create something like room, and everybody can participate in that room and try to solve the same problem in 15 minutes. So you can't before the clash, I create one and paste the link to the chat, and you can join with clicking that if you want, and start to try to solve the same question in 15 minutes. CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages, by the way. You can choose whatever language you want. There's no pressure of it, and try to solve all the test cases in 15 minutes. I mean, it's a really good practice. It's a good way to practice. If you don't know or if you don't use any in CodinGame, you can register CodinGame in probably 30 seconds. You can easily create an account in 30 seconds, and you can create account with your Facebook account or with Gmail account, and you can join if you want. I don't know anything about coding. Oh, okay, then maybe start learning from the other resources, or you can still watch if you want, because we try to explain all the questions after we solved, and try to teach so other people, even they are no knowledgeable about programming. Oh, FreeCodeCamp is really great. FreeCodeCamp is really great resource. Its YouTube channel is also really nice. It's one of the best resources to learn, I think. DirectX might be because the character count is only calculated in your case. You're welcome, but you can still watch the stream if you try to learn something, because we always try to explain the question after the clash is ended. User 95, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay, let's start a new private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, yours, so you can still join with that link if you want. Okay, pinned Samza CSGO, Hi Holly, XABC, welcome. Teach me code. Oh, great. You create an account. Oh, you have an already account. Oh, that's nice since you're level 2. Super admin, welcome. In 33 seconds the clash will start, and you try to solve the problem in 15 minutes. You can see here, you can see what time the clash starts in. Asfarex, welcome. Oh, then maybe you shouldn't join, maybe, if you don't know anything, because these questions are at least some of the beginner programmers. Let's and following. Okay. Integer product series paid find. Okay, see you. Oh, is the Fibonacci number? Okay. Let's keep only the prime index sequence. Let's call it Vn. Okay, then. And now let's define the Fibonacci numbers. Vn artı Vn and Vn artı 2. The goal is here to find nth element. Whoa, what is this? Oh. All test cases are really take this one. So let's create a Fibonacci number then. I probably didn't write this for a long time. Var f is int n plus 1, right? From 0 to n. Yes, I think array 0 is 0 and array 1 is 4. So starting with a less equal than n, a plus array ax here plus array ax. So after the last one, return array m. So this is the returns the nth Fibonacci number. Directs on front-end technologies, I don't have too much information, but React Native would be a good choice in these times. Primonacci sequence. I never heard that one before. should I also calculate the end prime number in here? I think maybe I have to calculate the end prime number as well. Can you share link? Sure, I can pass it to chat. Deja vu. So I calculate the Fibonacci numbers, but maybe I need to calculate primonacci. How can I find this primonacci number? Oh, I really don't know how to solve this. So what should I do? What should I do? And plus less than 1. 3 and plus. I probably couldn't solve this. So we cannot plus 2. I think this method is okay based on memorization calculation. Doesn't use as a recursive approach. But after that, I should probably calculate with this with sieve of Eratosthenes approach, but I don't know. I think it's at least for C#. It is hard to write all of them in 15 minutes. Ogiwan Konobi, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, I mean, I probably can't solve this. At least not in 15 minutes. XAve, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. No, the stream is English. I can't speak Turkish. But if you write in Turkish to chat, I can't respond in English as well. As you can check the stream's language, it's English. Okay. Oh, it says VC has already solved. That's nice. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of flashers. Okay, but can you please share your code as well so we can examine your codes, XAVC, if it is okay for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is really hard to understand for me. So if I understand correctly here, this is the last function, Fibonacci function, that's based on the previous ones. So the prime index number indexes. Okay, K is the prime probably. And this one is also calculated as a Fibonacci number. Genuine, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. As a rough guide, P is the list of primes, A is a Fibonacci, V is the V numbers, O is the output of the Primonacci. P is the list of primes. Here. Is there a special calculation for like this one? I mean, plus 9. Is there any special calculation for that? Oh, you just brute force factors up to I. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand now. Then what was the A? A is should be Fibonacci numbers. Okay, then what is V? V is these numbers in. V is the prime indexed numbers. Then O is the output numbers. And I generates primes up to n multiples 30 n, because that's greater than n multiples log n. Okay. That was nice. I mean, I never thought that this approach, in a brute force approach, I never calculated prime Fibonacci numbers like that. That's cool. Okay, let's back to home and start a private clash, and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join from the link of the chat. Yeah, I think it's quite fun. I think, yeah, a little bit complex. For example, if you're a beginner, you probably couldn't solve this in 15 minutes. You have to calculate the Fibonacci numbers, and after that you have to calculate that indexed prime numbers as well. Okay, we are now 12 people here. Oops. Yamsun C, welcome. Saki-san, welcome. Maximilian, welcome. Okay, we are now 12 people. Argument string composed only of one where represents hill and represent ground. Consecutive one represents the same hill. Find the index considering first character is at index 1 and the length of the longest hill. Longest hill is at index 6. Its length is 4. The output equator is 6, 4. If there are many solutions, return the first longest hill found. Okay then. We know our S in R in S. Zero. One is oh no, I shouldn't use for each year since I need to get their indexes. Plus SE1 and zero. For if then plus then is list and compare when finished. Either you can always join if you want. So if I get, but how can I check this? Is the first index? Oh no, start index. Right with 1. I get somewhat different than 1. Add it that index and that count. I also for the next iteration start index is no, I shouldn't do that. Counter. So that means I can still counting the consecutive ones. If it is 0, my counter is 0, so my start index is will be I and counter plus plus. For example, when I have a not one character here as a 1, if start index not 0, that means I am somewhat between in the string. Not bad with that index and counter. It's flows. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So is this correct? Counter should be 0. Yes, I think that might solve this. So after calculating all of them, my dictionary should get the maximum value of counter ordered by descending value descending order. Also that right line. String interpolations. I should write the first index key not key plus 1 since it starts with 0 and key dot value. Not kiwi first. So let's play all test cases. Invalid operation exception secures contains no element. Really? Wait a second, why my dictionary have no elements here? That's weird. Or not weird, I am missing something completely obvious probably. Why my dictionary doesn't have any? it is 1. Okay. Do these things. If it is not, you're at counter. Okay. That is so weird. I mean, oh, that means my else case in here never works. For a 0, for example, it should add here when he sees 0. Ravi Cyber, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. What am I missing here? Looks like I'm missing something obvious, but I don't see at all. Why never works in this? I have no idea why my dictionary doesn't have any value. Yes, Ravis, we are playing with followers. Every before clash, I create a private clash and send it to chat the link, so you can join if you want with that link. I have really no idea why my dictionary doesn't have any value. It is also weird to call a dictionary with that name, but that's okay. I mean, I don't know what am I doing. What am I doing wrong? My code. Okay, Asperix, Yamsuni, Hamza, AKK, XAVC is already solved. Oh, thanks to Pythons. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Another Python JavaScript. AKK is already solved in Python. Yeah. XAVC is already solved in Python also. Okay, I really have no idea why this code didn't work. Yeah, using the aggregate is very smart in here. Okay, the clash is complete. I am the last person. I mean, if I saw a 1, can you please check my code as well, guys? I mean, I start with counter and a start index with every ones. So for every character in that, I check the current character. If it is 1 and my counter is not 0, so So I increase the counter. If it is 0, I checked that start index with that current index, and I increase the counter. If not, that means my current character is 0, so I added that. No, why did I do that? I shouldn't add E here. I should add the start index. Oh. Okay, that was my problem, probably. Oof. That's nice. That was a nice question, I think. I should call it fun. Difficulty, it's perfect. I think it's somewhat little hard, maybe not having this kind of Python or Ruby or JavaScript language. Statement is clear, test case ideal. Let me submit it. Okay, let's create a back to home and start private clash, and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. Reverse mode, please. No reverse mode only. You select all the modes right now. Okay, I'm giving 1 minute break, guys. Okay, I'm back. Neogis, thanks for the follow. Dshot92, thanks for the follow. I pasted to chat link. You can join with that link if you want. Okay, we are now 14 people. Since I give you on timeout, I give you on timeout. The bots are quite aggressive about the links, by the way. Just a second, guys. Sorry about that, by the way. Sean H, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I clicked submit instead of test. Yeah, Sean maybe. I've probably done this with 15 times, maybe. Learn Python or Java as my first language. I think, in my humble opinion, Python would be a better choice. I mean, I couldn't understand it either. Zoot, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Your initial balance and number of potato price fixed during the day. maximum possible amount of money on account by the end of the day. Rounded half of the nearest integer. Only potatoes are yeah, oh, I understand. Because it's or do I? So if it's what are you thinking about web development in Turkey? Can I get your opinion? Agent, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. The description was a bit long. You can buy once and sell once per day, and don't rate. Find the maximum money. So I think it's easily. I think this is somewhat similar to best time to buy and sell stock kind of questions, maybe. Or is it? Okay, let's try to var minimum value and var max value is 0 and var minimum value is int max value. So I should calculate every day to get a for example, if I buy with 10 and sell with 50, that means it's 5 times occurs. So then my $100 will be $500. Agents, what we're doing here, we are doing some Clash of Codes, which is a coding game, a part of a coding game question styling. And if you don't know CodinGame is a platform that you can solve a lot of programming problems, and with you can practice with questions. You can practice with bot programming. You can practice with a lot of kind of questions as well. So this is the Clash of Codes. So we all playing with the viewers, so everybody can join the clash and try to solve the same problem in 15 minutes. As you can see here, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages, so you can use which language you are familiar with and try to solve all the test cases. For example, as you can see here, all the test cases, and you have 15 minutes to solve them. If you are not familiar with CodinGame, you can easily create an account with almost 30 seconds. You can create your account based on your Gmail or Facebook account. And before this clash starts, I pass to chat the link of the clash, so you can join with that link. You can join with that link if you want. So, I will definitely couldn't solve this in time, but let me try my best. Array I is Oops. So I is 0. Nine plus plus. And if array I is less than my minimum price, at least my minimum price should be array I. It is not, I should calculate the maximum value. Maximum value is that math.max with current maximum value, and it's a current one minus min, right? Array I minus min. So every time I could calculate this one. Oops, I don't have any time. Console.write line. Balance divided by minimum and multiple by maximum. Does this work? I don't do any rounding, but that probably won't work. Can nothing please convert? Oops. Float. My current code probably won't work, but oh, goodbye deja vu. How do you get $500 in this example? We don't have to do multiple but buy sell. It won't work because you can't sell before you bought it. Yes, I mean it is the first price is $10 for example, and the last price is the $50. So if you can buy $10 and sell $50, since you have $100 at first, at the end of all the day you have $500. You buy 10 and sell 50, that means you get 5 times profits. If you have 100, you get 500. Wrong numbers and samples. Yeah, only buy one and one sell. I mean, this is let's look at how XAVs is here. For E range, potatoes gained balance. Oh, you should calculate balance first. Oh, okay. Then if you solve and calculate the maximum money gained, it is 1, return that one, as if it is not a complete integer number, you have to round. If it is, you can write as a integer number. Yes, balance is just input. PSA is the array input. Ignore the weird int stuff, that's not needed. Yeah, okay. I think this is the similar. You can check the best time to sell stock and buy and sell stock kind of questions. I mean, you have given the array the stock prices, and what is the best day to buy, and what is the best day to sell. I mean, this is kind of similar questions with that. For example, for that questions, also there is a rule: you can't sell before you buy. You have to buy first and then sell, and after sell. Yeah, exactly. This is a very nice approach. Okay, XAVC, tomato, and Yamsuni is also sold. Pins 66%. Maybe the rounding kind of stuff, maybe. I don't know. CSGO 50, Saki-san 50, Hamza 50, D-Shot, Deja Vu, and also 50. Okay, I really like this kind of questions. I think solving this kind of questions is quite fun, so I have to submit fun. Difficulty, perfect, statements, and test case are clear. Let me submit it. Okay, I back to home, start private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. All this potato talk makes me hungry. See you later. Thank you man. I really appreciate that. XAV, thank you. Have a good night. I passed it to chat, by the way, the link. You can join if you want. Carnage also joined. Phantom back also joined. T-Bone, hello, welcome. Do you stream daily? I try to stream daily, but sometimes it's getting too tiring. For example, after my day job, it is really hard to do in at night also, but I try to stream daily. Ravish. Akif, yeah, I watched the Mesut's live stream with Taylan Yıldız. Okay, we are now 14 people. Nuggets, attack of takes 9 and 20. Given number of nuggets and you have to print its possible largest number of packs that can sell to complete the order. If it's not possible, print none. Largest number of packs to sell to complete. Okay. Zero. No, I should write this. Um, what? Test 3 fails. Test start also fails. Okay, let's check down. 90. Oh. Where is it? Or and what? Oh, I should. Baho, hello. Welcome to stream. My 17 2 times 5, so 10 right 9 in test 2. I should wait a sec. Largest number of factors and complete order or none if order is not possible. That's weird because in that case you have to take 6 packages for 20 times and you have 3 left, but in test case 4 you should write none. Why? Huh. That's bizarre. Wait a sec, I don't understand this question clearly. Part 3, test 3 is broken. Yeah, you have 6 and 900. You can have 6 packets, pack of 6 with 900 times, and why 3? No, you can still have pack of 6 5 times, and you have left 2 chicken. That's kind of weird question. This question might have a problem somehow. Yeah, I think so. It should be. But if so, order to none, or none if order is not possible. Based on this one, for example, let's say you have a pack of 6 20 times and there are 3 left in here. It's okay here to have 3 lefts, but what's in 17, why there should be none? You can still have 2 times pack of 6, which is 12, and you can have 5 chicken left. But in that case, its output is none. But in that case, output is 20. I mean, maybe I am missing something obvious, but that's kind of weird to me. Maybe if someone can perfectly solve all test cases, you can check his code also, but I mean, I really don't know how to. I think you all have to do is the integer division by 6, which is the same as a floor. Yeah, I mean, of course, the bone. I think that is what I do, for example, in here. But hope your test cases test all 100% T-Bowen. What? I mean, I don't need this one, honestly. Town is also solved in Go. Yeah, I mean, okay, I will submit it. I don't care if it is 75%. Yeah, I mean, the test case seems broken really. I mean, let me check your code as well. Maybe you did something 6y between 6y and 3. Oh. Yeah, this is, I mean, not so tricky, but weird test cases, I mean. Yeah, it's just quite confusing, exactly. Phantom's back is already solved. Also solved. I mean, it's not boring difficulty, easy, but test case relevancy, I think it's very bad. Statement is very clear. I can submit it. I mean, I don't know if it is completely works or not, but how do you allow the others to view code? When you submit, there is a share my code button under your profile in here. You can click with that and can have your view code button in as well. I mean, I do the same thing, but I don't know, honestly. This 3 case might be broken. Okay, Phantom back is already solved. He's the... Yep. Some kind of weird test case. Call me Kutku, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. AKK, you have 6 and 9 and 20 package of packages. So you have given some chicken number, and you have to calculate the maximum number of that packages. Since you have to calculate the maximum number of packages, you have to take the only 6 pack of. Yeah, exactly. You don't really need to do 9 or 20 because it's wanted only the maximum number. Will you check my solution once? Why that is wrong? Let's check it. I mean, you're probably you don't even know this kind of the question asked all about the maximum number of packages. You don't have to calculate for 9 or 20. You only should consider 6. Yep, Clash is complete. And T-Balloon, Shawn, Phantom. As always, so as I said, guys, the third test case is quite quite weird, maybe somewhat broken. I don't know. That's why I submitted as a test case relevance as a very bad. Now what you have to do is basically give a highest prior to the 6, second time 9, third time is 20, but you don't need to calculate 9 or 20. You only have to calculate the 6, since it is give you the maximum number of packages. Ravish, I think you don't need to calculate 9 or 20 packer, because the question is all about what would be the solution. Let's say 100, what would be the solution? It should be 96 divided by 6. What is it? It is 16, maybe? I think 16, yeah, I think so. It should be 16, because you have to calculate only the 6 here. since it's given the maximum number of packages. You can't have more than 16 packages. And there are 4 chicken left, since it is I think the solution to that won't be 16. Why? I think it will be just 12. No, it shouldn't be 12. Why? You can easily have 16, which is the maximum. It's bigger than 12. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one and copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can check, you can join the link from the chat if you want. How can you get 16? It's 100 divided by 6 and its floor. Since you only have the maximum number of packages. Pins, T-Bone, AKK, Belrap, welcome. Fun Times, Becorn, Stakisan, Talat, Sean has also joined. Rubbish is I didn't pass link, let me paste again. It's 12th person right now. Yamsuni and Xeponir has also joined. CSGO also joined. So all the elements are turned into, it's all linked. What did I wrong here? Just E minus 1. Ay. Oops, large N. How large? Oh, bigger than. Okay, let me do that int and make it long. Total test case again. Oops, the code flow exception. Array dimensions exceed supported. Long array. What? Array dimensions exceeds supported range. But I created one array. Oh. Here. So my calculation is correct as far as I can see, since it's past the. So let's place these ones. Audio either. Oh, you need to have a long here else. Long fail test cases again. Okay, this will be at least past this one. How can I? No, unsigned long. It doesn't matter because I think this is the exceeds array dimensions here. Since probably can't have a more than integer max value. I think I should. Okay, let's. And at 0. Array dot. So I should return but that still doesn't take array dot. This still waits as an integer. Okay. But if I change it to n, I can take as an input there. But how can I calculate this? Because if I use the recursive function here, I will probably get a timeout. But I use here as a dynamic programming, but this reaching with that index does not support by the list type, since it's only indexable by an integer. So it exceeds the limits of the integer. That sucks. If I change it to integer, so I can't take as an input. So if I long thing. Okay, I have to change the int. Then int. But still, this won't work. Yeah, it still has a timeout for a large n. It follows a weird pattern that each result is oh, really? But still, in C# still probably can't calculate, since n is almost bigger than int max value. 2 power of int max value almost can't be computed in C#. I mean, maybe I need to use big integer. But wait a second, you can't have a module, since you calculate only mod 1000. You only have wait a second. Yeah, you only have 8 different values then, right? Yeah, you only have 8 different values, since always calculate 1000 module. You have 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, 63, 123, 255, and 511. You can't have any other. Yep, Ah, I couldn't see that first. Oh my god, that was so easy. I just need to check the module mod of 8 for that input. Oh, that was so easy. You're right. The limit is starting from 1 to the limit and 511. Oh my god, that was so easy. Oh yeah. I didn't see that pattern, obviously. Yeah, let's check fun times. Yep, exactly. See, he solved. He see the pattern, so it put all the possible values in an array. Is less than 4. Return this one, and is. Or you can put all of them in the same array and calculate the module 8, probably with that index. Oh my goodness, that was so easy. Oh, I didn't even see that. It's always calculate the module 1000, module by 1000. You have only take these values. Oh, that sucks. Bowen, since there is a pattern, looks like Ravish, as Ravish mentioned in var. Yes. Too much math and less logic, even the both are correlated. Yeah. The this calculation should create a pattern like 2 power of n minus 1. That's why the only since we calculate on the module by 1000, we only have 1, 3, 7, and 15, 21, 63, 127, 255, and 511. Why there is 23 here? I don't know. Maybe it was just calculating the index. I don't know. Honestly, 23 should be here. I mean, I'm not sure about that. Okay, Ravi, only Ravi. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I didn't see that. Wow. Okay, that's cool. I hope everyone understands the question and the solution should be more clear right now. Okay, let's create a new one then. Let's create a private clash. Okay, let's try to reverse a few times. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. Beans, why are you upset? Because of I only chose the reverse ones? Almost. The link is in the chat, by the way. You can still join that link if you want. No worries, by the way, we can continue the other mods, the next one. But sometimes there are questions so hard to read as the long ones, so so No, just no. I don't know Python. I mean, I know little bit, but I probably couldn't solve any clash with Python. Okay, let's try this one. Argument out of range except fine. But this doesn't calculate the last one. So calculate here. Oh no, I need to write also with only numbers. Oh. No, why should I use here in dictionary? I think the list will be enough here. You know. String. Result. If it is 1, now what this won't work is only have one length solutions. Oh. Oh yes, in runtime, yeah. There is type.get types maybe. Or type of. One is on runtime, one is on local compile time, but I forget how to. And type of will be compile time, but type.get type probably in runtime. I mean, I probably can't solve this either. I have no time. I really don't know how to solve this. And yeah, I probably submitted. I mean, I don't know. I think you should resort to using some of other languages for CodinGame, maybe some free typed language like Python, which is so much more readable and compact. Yeah, maybe, but I really don't have an experience in Python to solve a clash at least. I mean, I probably couldn't even solve a clash right now. I will try, I can try, but I probably fail. Okay, let's check the Bowen's code. There's a numpy import. Does this split an array where where differences, where every difference is bigger than 1. Range if sequence if 1 and minimum s and maximum s. This MP. Append the first one is s. What is s here? Huh, this one. Oh. Try a Python match. I mean, I think it supports that numpy package. It's quite handy as far as I can see. That's nice. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Okay, Phantom, Saki-san, and T-Bone as already solved 100%. Pins, Backhorn, and yeah, that's it. I mean, it's not that hard, but it's an extended math package. I mean, there are a lot of good packages to solve this kind of class for specifically Python. For example, we have solved before some kind of road 13 cryptography, and I tried to write it in C# as a different method for a custom method for myself, but as far as I remember, Python has a road 13 package, so you can directly use that in your code. I mean, that's very handy. These kind of things are very handy to solve that kind of competitive questions. Was it row 13? Row 13. Yeah, that's one. Python. Oops. There's even a package for that, if I remember correctly. Oh, what the hell? No, I don't want to download your PDF. Oh, there's a long usage, but there's a I think there's a row 13 package also. Python has a lot of packages which are easy to manage because of. Did you check Haskell code? No, where? Someone has written Haskell? Oh no, you're asking me to check Haskell. No, I didn't. Oh, the second one, okay. Oh, as a C# developer, I mean, it is. I think this kind of couple maybe the functional programming, so return multiple values at the same time. Oops, T-Bowen. Please don't paste any links. I give you timeout. Is your brain forced by Clash of Code? Because it can be really tiring sometimes. Yeah, I mean, I like to solve Clash of Code because Clash of Code, since I'm the streamer here, Clash of Code is the best way, I think, in CodinGame. It's to be, since an interactive solution, so everybody can join who watch the stream and also can join and clash at the same time. Yep, there's a package called row 13. Exactly. So that's why I really like to use Clash of Code here, so viewers also can join, and not just for me try to solve some programming problems, and also people who can view the stream and can also join. That's why I really like it. Okay, let's back to home then and start a private clash. And let's start. Anyone? I just copy the link and paste it to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. It's fun to look at all the codes and how different people solve things differently. Okay, we can do that. For example, for this question, we can check all the different for different languages written. Okay, now we have 11 people. Starpongs, welcome. Rocks also joined. I mean, why people don't have any profile picture? Get a profile picture, for God's sake. We ugly. The profile picture don't have to be your profile. Don't have to be your picture. 100% pass. Sure, we can do that, Neogist. We can do that, why not? Do you think that's improving your skills of solving algorithm? Yes, I mean, I think. Oh my god, look at this, people are fast. Wow, people are really fast. It's like 4 lines in Python. Tarpongs, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. It's fun, difficulty too easy, this case ideal. Yep, they are smart, man. Yeah, I mean, if you have a quite practice about this kind of questions, for example, for competitive questions at least, you can easily solve this in less than a minute. Okay, there are only 2 people left. Crossfire, because I'm a CodinGame streamer, mainly CodinGame streamer. This is what I like, this is what I really want to do in a stream. This is why I get really fun to clashing people who join my stream. Sean, what happened? Let's check your code. String multiple by ints. Oh. You can, by the way, you can use another for loop in here maybe. For example, for that line you can write with that character only the same line. I mean, it doesn't have to be built-in functionality. C# doesn't have a built-in functionality for a lot of things. But you probably write in just another for loop maybe. Okay, only Typhoon and Belrap. Go say string and is question mark. Oh. I think it's not fair to wait people like that. So I'm creating a new one, by the way. Story Typher and Bellrap. You can still continue the clashing, but since there are a lot of people solve this, I don't want to wait too much people. So I created back to home. You can still continue the clash, by the way. Start a private clash. Let's start a new one. So I just copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can still join with that link if you want. Starpongs, what a nice profile picture. Zeal, welcome. Okay, we are now 12 people. Nuyera, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yep, we did this one before, exactly. This test 3 cases might be tricky. Oh, if you have also this one, you have to oh no, wait a second. Huh. Oh, you're not in Clash. Okay. So, I'm only concerned about this one. Okay. Hmm. Um, Damson12, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Oh, this might be solved. Some of the test cases, not all of them. Let's try at least. This failed it test case 3. Yes, exactly what I expected. And pass the other ones. Nope, not. This one is also trickier. Okay then. Oh, how can I solve with this case as well? I should keep them as a maybe if it's more than 2 sharp, I should keep them maybe all the start and end indexes in a dictionary maybe. Key and value, and try to complete, try to fill just for all of them. Yeah, I think so. That should work. Probably it will work. But I need to get all the indexes in that line. How can I do that? Okay, well then, no, that's not the case. Or maybe. A lot, thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I mean, I really don't know how to handle these 2 test cases. If the line contains more than 2 sharp characters. Torana Flare, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Add an extra hash and increase the value of I also, so it won't read that. Yeah, exactly, it won't work with my. Because I have to get a pair of all of the, for example, first 2 and then next 2 sharp and then next 2 sharp. I have to keep them in some way, maybe somewhere in a dictionary as a key value pair. So after all the key value pairs in that dictionary, I only complete the sharp character between the key and value for all the key value pairs. Okay, it is easy to say, but I think it's not that hard to write, but somewhat tricky to implement. Does index of also take argument of where to start? No, index of only takes the first occurrence of that character, opposite of last index of. I mean, yeah, my code, that's why my code only works for if the line contains if the line contains 2 different sharp characters. For example, let's check this one, this one. I find this and I find this and I complete all the between them. I find this, and I complete all the between them. But in here, there is a trickier one. I find this as a one and I find this as a last one and I complete all of the between them. But I shouldn't complete because there is at least more than 2 sharp this character separated by space. That's why first I have to, my first string should be my first occurrence of this character. Start should be this one and end should be this one. I complete that, not all the line. Okay, I have 40 seconds now. I probably can solve this either, so I can submit. I hope someone can solve in a 100%, so we should check his code as well. It's fun, difficult, it's kind of hard. Let's see, ideal. I joined really late. Okay, all fun times has already profile picture. Oh, that's nice. Okay, both Azarax and fun times has 80%. Okay, let's check Python. Replaced. Nice, nice. For line it xds prints and what is the and here? So easy problem but hard to code. That's the perfect problem. No, I mean I really like this question, but it is somewhat difficult to think as the edge cases. Let's check find times code. Actually looks like he did some, and is the parameter for the character appended to printed string, so default value is slash and. Okay. So I think he did find matches in here. So he finds all the matches in, for example, first sharp, second between second sharp, and the third sharp with 4 sharp, I think. Is that what you did here? It looks like group matches into tuples. Looks, if you write this perfectly, I think it should work as a 100% maybe. I know this seems quite logical. Yeah, it seems, I mean, really understandable and logical. maybe some test cases that you failed. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. My code works, I have no idea why. This has a two ways, I think. My code doesn't work and I have no idea why, and my code works and I have no idea why. I don't know which one is the worst. Charming, welcome. Firas, welcome, nice to see you. The picture doesn't allow for any higher or up the picture. No, Firas, if I don't have anything, someone important, I do in daylight also at weekends, but I will probably stream at night as well. I mean, it's I will stream in probably more, maybe 3 or more hours later right now. If it has a doesn't work, I don't know why, then it does work, I don't know why. Exactly. Let's build test cases here. Sure, I pasted the link again. Rocks. You're welcome. What? What? Uh-huh. Oops. And no, but I just try this. Well, test cases. Right, but this doesn't work. No, I shouldn't trim at all, maybe. That's one maybe. Oh, there is only one unnecessary. I should write concat here. I don't need to join. Let's play this one. Oops, why failed at the last time? Losing. Corrupt. Well, I should write as a hard coded this one. No agent problem at joining. No, I don't need to join here because I need only the concat. But so do I have to write losing sign for that case? But it will probably fail as a hard coded. Jopan, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So I should write it as a hard-coded or not? What is the meaning of corrupt here? I don't have a choice, I think, for writing it instead of hard-coded. Why? Loss of continuity. Looks like, yeah, I mean, maybe I don't have a choice. Hard-coded this one. Okay, let's try at least. I hope it can be passed its validation. So if this one, so write corrupt. If it is not, write itself. I mean, I don't have to write again, but I'm not sure there's a better way to do it. Let's play all test cases again. You just have message number 1, 2, and 4, but not 3. Oh, I have to check their indexes as well. Oh, okay, so how can I check this? This shouldn't be right then, so I didn't have to write this one. Okay, I can do that. I mean, our max is dictionary dot max. So my assumption will be like that. If max is equal to dictionary count, that means there is a if it is not equal, that means there is a maximum value is, for example, in here maximum value is 4, but there is a 3 signal in dictionary. So if this if they are not equal, so there is a corruption, loss of signal, and it should be corrupt. I think this handled nicely in that case. Okay, let me try that one. Play all test cases. Yep, that's nice. I can submit my solution. Thank you, Bowen. We already solved. Asperax has already solved. Bowen, Beckhorns, Tarpongs, Firas, Phantom Back is already solved. I think that was a fine question. I really like this kind of questions. Difficulty is perfect. Test case really is ideal, so I can submit it. Mine was very messy. Let's look at your code. I mean, I'm not familiar with Python syntax. No, it seems your code seems nice as well. I mean, it's readable, easy to understand maybe. Since I'm not familiar too much this kind of syntax, it returns, I think it returns the second item at the end, if I remember correctly. All7 Assange, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Second onwards. Oh, okay. Taki-san as 80%, fun time 60%. Okay, there are still 6 people clashing. Town has only 20% with Go. Tyrox has already sold. I don't know why my code is wrong. Let's check your code then. You can create a map here. First of all, you don't even write the corrupt test case. And I don't see any ordering here based on their numbers. Maybe I don't see any ordering here. Maybe map should be ordered already? No, I don't think so. Probably that was the reason. Your code looks like it passed only one test cases. Okay, Shaun 20%, Xopin Zeponir 20%. Okay, the clash is complete. That's nice. Let's back to home and create a start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and passed it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. I sorted before, but was same. Oh, okay. Are you from France? No, I am from Turkey, actually. It says in my profile as well, as you can see here, it writes Turkey. Newman, welcome. Joe Pencil, welcome. Al Hassan, welcome. These people are the first time I can see here. Here we are now, 16 people. That's nice. Oh, you are Turkish too. Oh, that's great. Oh my goodness, what is this? Andre Lemus. That's a nice profile picture. Neogis, yeah, for so far, yeah. I mean, on the reverse right now. Um, 24 Kotaro, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I sold this before, I think, but okay. I have an idea, but it will be really bad solution, I think. So, play all these cases. Oops. Let's build this case again. That is nice. I can submit my question. My solution, not the question. Is this considered lo-fi music? Yeah, I mean, exactly, lo-fi hip-hop. There's a Chilled Cow YouTube channel, Neogist. I mean, it says, what's it says? It says lo-fi hip-hop radio. Beat to relax, study to. I don't know anything about YouTube sorry, I don't know anything about JavaScript, so I'm not. I don't have any practice and JavaScript as well. I really like this question, by the way. It's quite fun. It's difficulty. I mean, it is perfect, and test case ideal. I can submit it. I think it is hard. I mean, it is not that hard, I think, because you have to calculate the binary representation of that numbers, which is the string length, and after that you only filter character by character where there is the current character is not question mark. I mean, it takes time, I know, but it is really that hard? I'm not sure, maybe. Okay, Sarpong's, Firas, and Saki-san has already solved. I can only make it work on test case first. Cyrox has already solved. Backhorn has already solved, that's nice. Which code you are looking for, Katoro? Oh, my solution. Okay then. Let me make it smaller. Okay, Androlemos is already solved. Newman and Zeponir, 11%. He only passed one test cases, maybe. What do you think? Do I need to be super smart to work backend? No, that's irrelevant. I'm currently full stack and wonder if I should go backend when I am average smart. You say you're already full stack, that means front, you also know front end and backend. I should go backend when I am average smart. I'm not sure I understand this sentence correctly. You are going sometimes average smart or less smart or going more smarter? I mean, I know and I can code, but I mean going deeper. So I do some easy backend. Like basic REST, etc. I mean, I'm not sure how to answer that question. Yeah, follow your heart is the follow your heart is the best you can get. Okay, the clash is complete. Oh, okay, and I did it that way, by the way. I faced only one test cases. That's okay. For example, I should share all my code in here. For example, I calculated length of the given input string and calculate the 2 power of that length. Why am I doing this? Because as a binary, for example, if my string has only 4 characters, I might have between 0 to 15 numbers, so 6 to 16 numbers actually. So from starting 0 and less than that length here, I added all my numbers binary representation with padding left with that length, the input length with 0 character. So for example, my first item should be 4 0 character, and the next one is 3 0 and 1 character also. So I filtered my list with the given an input character where my character is not question mark. So after that, if my current character is not question mark, I filtered where my current list si, that means in here, is the passcode with the current that character. So for example, I mean, if I had something like that, for example, let's pass the whiteboard for that. Let's say I have a solution like that, and that, and that, and also let's create another string, this one, and let's give a string, for example, like that, question mark, 1, 0, and question mark. So if I have to filter, if my current character is not question mark, so I don't filter for that, So I start to filter. The third one is the third character is 1. How many strings I have? The third one is 1. This is not 1, this is not 1, but this is 1. So I only get this string at the end. So I do that for all the characters, my input string in here, filtering all the list from the list for that condition satisfied, all the conditions satisfied, where there is no question mark. If there is 1 or 0, I should filter with my list. So in here, I filtered all my list, and the filtered ones are the can be changeable, but only the question marks index. That's why this is the question was all about. I hope I understand. I can explain it clearly. How did you get all the possible outcomes in here? For example, let's say my passcode is 5 character length. I calculated 2 power of 5, which is 32. Starting from 0 to 31, I added all my list and their binary representation with padding left, with that the input length. Since my input length was 5 character, for 0, for example, it will be 0 character. So that's why I'll get all the possible outcomes in here. Then I filter based on the input that corresponds to passcode in my code. So my English is not very well as far as you can see, but I tried my best to explain you here. Check some other ones. Okay, then let's check Python, for example. From range int 1 times n power of 2. I think this is what I do also here. I should have used POW, yeah. I mean, this one was on Python. Firaz also solved in Python. Okay, and Saki-san has also solved with Haskell. Okay then, and there's a Python solutions are also Python solutions probably the simpler maybe. Background is also solved with Python. Yeah, that comment though. I think it's one of the more clean than yeah, exactly. This might really be cleaner. Is it the default comment? Oh, okay. This is more clean. I mean, it's really nice approach. Bacon, can you please understand a little bit in the chat also? No, not understand, explain, sorry. Bacon and Androdamus. So the function passes the state, so the next ones are pre and post. Pre is the string to process. Androdamus codes are also seems simpler. So pre is the result and the post is in the proceed. When the post is empty, I print pre. Okay. That's nice. Android's code also seems simpler. Okay, that's nice. And the question mark calls two branches by calling the function 2 times with 0 and 1. This way the whole call can create all the combinations. Oh, nice. That's a very nice approach, yeah. Okay, everyone, how is the stream, by the way? Are you getting fun with that stream? If you had fun, you can write +1 in the chat, so how many people can see really enjoy the stream. I just tuned in the first time. It was really nice. Okay, that's great. +1. +1. I have to see +1. I learn new things every time I join. That's great, Firas. I mean, your contribution was also valuable to community. I mean, my stream to other people also. It's really nice, I think. Okay, now again, it's almost 4 hours. Plus, yeah. It's not +1, it's plus maybe. Okay then, who should we rate? Is there anyone we can rate in science and technology? I see C# freeze, but not a lot of C# programmer in the chat right now, so this might get me boring. There's a girl in Ruby, Chael Code's nickname is Rails Review for Good, at least Oktoberfest stream. Should we rate her? What do you say, guys? It's her username is Chael Codes. Should we rate him? Currently 53 people watching her. I mean, I write the her channel. Okay, let's rate her then. I don't know. She seems like fun and explains some maybe some GitHub repositories, or maybe some HTML and maybe some Ruby. I don't know, but she seems fine. She seems enjoyable. Okay, let's rate to her. But of course, before that, let me write my social accounts. If you wanna follow me on Twitter and YouTube, by the way, to put links in the chat, you can follow with them. And if you wanna support my streams, guys, you can always subscribe my channel. I mean, your supports are really important for me. Thank you for everything. Thank you for joining today. I'll probably give a 3 hours break, and after I stream again, the same concept, of course, the Clash of Code. Thank you so much for everyone. I mean, who joined the last Clash. Serpongs, Firas, Takisan, Sahirox, Bekorn, Andrelemus, Newman, Exeponir, Garmin, GeoPencil, Belrap, Chan, The Bulwan, Basse, and Al Hassan. Thank you so much for joining us. As I said, I will stream in probably in less than 3 hours again. And let's rate Rachel. Send her to our love, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. And I will rate for Cahill Codes. I hope you have a great day and take care.
Okay. This is Mr. Stretch from the NHS. So, for any of y'all who are new. Hey! Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the raid, Sonar Ganol. It's nice to meet you all. Hello and welcome. So today what I'm doing is I'm working on CASA, which is a court-appointed special advocate, and CASA in this case is a tool that allows organizers to schedule volunteers and keep track of court cases for folks who are in the foster system. This is part of the organization Ruby for Good, which focuses on finding ways to use Ruby and Ruby on Rails to do charitable works. The thing that we're doing right now is we're restarting Docker because we've been poking around with getting this menu bar to show a logout button. So here's what we found out. If this is, what's the word I'm looking for? If this is full size and we have, it may take a second because we just restarted the app, then you have a logout button down here. But if we shrink it down to like